Previously, we dove into the file-based routing system in Next.js. We covered defining routes for our application's route, nested routes, dynamic routes, and catch-all routes. While we've been typing URLs directly in the browser to test these routes, that is not how real users navigate websites. Instead, they click on links or get redirected after certain actions. Let's see how to implement this in Next.js. First up, let's look at navigating from the home page to the blog page when clicking a link. For client-side navigation, Next.js gives us the link component. The link component is a React component that extends the HTML anchor element, and it is the primary way to navigate between routes in Next.js. To use it, we will need to import it from next/link. In our root page.tsx file in the app folder, let's start by importing the link component. Import link from next/link. Now we can add the link component to navigate anywhere in our application. Here's the syntax. I'll wrap the h1 tag with React fragment and add a link right below the heading. The text is blog. href is equal to /blog. By using the link component with an href prop, we create clickable navigation elements. In this case, we are showing blog as the text, and when clicked, it will take us to /blog. Save this, head to the browser, and you will see a clickable blog link that takes you right to the blog page. Let's add another example to make sure we've got this down. We will create a link to the products page right after our blog link. So link component, the text is products, and the href is /products. Simple, right? Back in the home page, refresh, and we see the products link. Clicking it takes you to /products where we see the product list component. Both our links are working smoothly. Now, it's always good to help users get back to the home page. So let's add a home link in our products list page. Open page.tsx file in your products folder and import the link component. Import link from next/link. Then add a link to the home page in the JSX. The text is home and href is /. This points to our application's route. Now, when you're on the products page, you will see a link to take you back home. Next, let's tackle something more interesting, dynamic routes. In our products page, we have 3 products listed. We can turn each product's heading into a link to its details page. Remember how our dynamic routes are /products/product ID. For example, /products/1. Well, here is how we implement that as a link. Within h2, link component, product1 becomes the text, and href is equal to /products/1. Similarly, product2 and product3. In the browser, you should see the products linked to their respective details pages. Product1 details about product1, 2, and 3. While hardcoding these links works, sometimes we need to generate them dynamically. Let's say we have a product ID coming from somewhere else. So const product ID is equal to 100. The value could be from a prop, for example. We can use template literals to create link using this product ID. I'm going to duplicate the h2 heading and bind this product ID. The href, we're going to use backticks, which is the key below escape key. Make sure to wrap it within curly braces, and then $curly braces, product ID. This creates a dynamic link showing product 100 that leads to the corresponding product page. Now, here is something I want to highlight about the link component. It has a replace prop that changes how navigation history works. Let's add it to product 3's link component. Now, try this. Back in the browser, from the home page, click on products. Click product 1 and then head back. Works normally. Same with product 2, details page, and we go back. But with product 3, we navigate to the details page, but when I hit the back button, it takes you straight to the home page, skipping the product list. That is because replace overrides the current history entry instead of adding a new one. This is something to keep in mind. The link component makes client-side navigation a breeze in Next.js. Just import it from next/link, add your href, and you're good to go. Supporting the channel is free. Please like and subscribe. It helps a lot.